Hello guys, this tutorial is pointing to knowledge based how to animations works or faces durings and also use cases of defaults property terms. Here just different windows of flow applications define differently UI applications perspectives behalf of looking applications good or user feels or touch according to standards of features based programming's point of views and also user feel or working conditions as per differently device screen size of layout of structure point cases. So figure 1.0 inside see that differently device screens with differently animations layout fluctuations point of views. Here denoting variables or bindings models view objects and point cases to headers view sections layout implementations by some defaults code keywords to pointing to displaying top of header cases default text message point of view. So figure 1.1 pointing to top of header just for displaying text format according to device cases based. Just pointing to defines weekly list of view formats row of view animations point of views just for showing weekdays list text format. So figure 1.2 inside see that UI view layer structures horizontal flow conditions point of views. Here pointing to text or creations of different layer of view faces and animations flowing conditions with different color fluctuations, doing implementations and creations of different layer of circles. So figure 1.3 pointing to text and lot of color of circles of faces behalf of that. Top section declarings of variables doing animations effect just for implementations of weekly list of details by using defaults views variable faces point of views. So figure 1.4 denoting full list of weekly data to creations point cases based or doing animations effect. Animation faces to effect case of over circular view floating rotation angle 360 degrees and amount based value addings when activities open one times method just pointing to on appears inside handlings all activities values setting behalf of that. So just figure 1.5 inside see that animations flow rotations point of views. Extract circular lines view using for adding text circular layer inside or doing animations effect. So figure 1.6 pointing to that area of text view displaying based. Just use that code for implementations of lines of circle, doing some defaults variables properties or providing some value effect and also doing animations faces effect by using defaults code of that animations faces. So figure 1.7 see that circular lines animations effect or color conditions point of views. Point 2 face animations effect case different properties value adding face case doing effective ratio of values as per working conditions notations point of views. So figure 1.8 pointing to circular lines animations point of views. Here model view just for denoting data values or creations of container of source of data list point cases behalf. So figure 1.9 see that as per data conditions case.